Well, you feel great because doctor's profession is something which is very different from any other profession, and they are the hero in the true sense because they are dealing with the lives of the people. Equal care means that the basic principle of healthcare is one of the basic principle of healthcare is equitable healthcare, which means whether it is poor or rich, everyone should get the same uniform quality of care. Well, we do deal with HIV patients, and of course, the precautions have to be taken. It is for your own safety, and because HIV, there is a myth, there are a lot of myths about HIV that normally does not spread by the sneezings or any other means, but it is mainly spread by through the blood, and HIV is something which people, they are scared that, they don't want to deal with HIV patient. But no, every hospital has got its own protocol of dealing with HIV patients. But until and unless you take all safety precautions, I think you should not be saying no to HIV patient. Well, this NACO initiative is a very welcome initiative, and so this discrimination, of course, is something which because of probably lack of awareness or ignorance or lack of education. I think we need to create more and more awareness. We need to educate people so that HIV patients are not neglected. They are part of the society. They are very much a part of the society, and they should be. We should take care of their social life, their rehabilitation, and I think NACO is the body. I mean, to take care of all these aspects. Yeah. Well, we are an ordinary human beings. I mean, but if the patient, in fact, I must tell you that our profession is a thankless profession. Normally, nobody, gives you credit if he becomes all right, but it's the discredit comes very easily, and when somebody doesn't get well with your treatment, then they say that the doctor has not treated me well, because doctor cannot do miracles. But of course, you feel great if somebody recognizes your work and gives you some compliment. So it gives you great motivation to work. I mean, for the society better. Yeah. Well, no regrets. Doctor is somebody who is, of course. I mean, I should say that he's on the top of the world when he saves lives, and I know we have saved many lives, and we feel great. But the only thing is that that recognition has to come from the public or from the customer or from the patients, and otherwise it is a great profession. I think I must say that we are totally different from any other profession. And